Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download Minecraft on your phone on iOS. So all you need to do is to watch this video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, to download any app on your phone, you will need just to go to your phone store. And in my case, I have the App Store for the iOS phones. So we click on the App Store, and here you will find all the suggested application that you can download, and here we can find the games, etc., etc. What we are interested in is to go to the search bar. Here at the bottom, we will find the search, and here you will find the searching bar. All you need to do is to search for Minecraft. You type Minecraft, you click on Minecraft, and here you will find the variety of some similar games to Minecraft. But what we want is to have the original Minecraft or the real Minecraft. To do so, you will need just to go to the paid version, we click on it, and basically this is the real Minecraft. To make sure or to be guaranteed, you will need just to make sure that Mojang is the owner of this application. So basically, you will need just to type on download or purchase. You need just to click on it. You confirm your purchase, and after that, after verification or after putting your code, you will be able to start downloading your Minecraft. And after the download is finished, it will be installed automatically on your phone, and then you will have it here on the screen menu of your phone. So basically, this is how you can download Minecraft on your phone. Thank you for watching and see you next time.